heading out one more time at least. And this morning, I'm gonna go do a little bit of fishing for those. Should be fun. Looking forward to it. Heading out from home.
And every now and then I spend my time at climbing for some crystals falsely. And then along comes Mary. And does she wanna give me kicks and my steady chick and give me pickled memories? Oh baby, rather got the tales from all the fails and tribulations no one ever sees. When we met I was sure out to lunch. Now my empty cup is as sweet as the punch. When big desire is the fire in the eyes of chicks whose sickness is the games they play. And when the masquerade is played, the neighbor folks make jokes at who is most to blame today. And then along comes Mary. And does she want to set them free or let them see reality?
Go see some Orcas.
Now my empty cup is as sweet as the punch.
Organization within our nation.
Sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch.
Johnny was a schoolboy when he heard his first Beatles song. Love me do, I think it was, and from there it didn't take him long. Got himself a guitar, used to play every night. Now he's in a rock and roll outfit and everything's alright. Don't you know? Johnny told his mama, hey mama, I'm going away. I'm gonna hit the big time, gonna be a big star.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Did you get a decent box on it, really?
As long as you are. Johnny made a record, went straight up to #1. Suddenly everyone loved to hear him sing a song. Watching the world go by, surprising it goes so fast. Johnny looked around him and said, well, I made the big time at last. Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know that
the time. There's the band.
Look at my body.